Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natia YE, better known as Beauty Rebellion, and today's video is going to be a lazy wig install featuring UNiceHair. This is going to be a beginner's friendly way to install your lace front wig if you're 4B like me. You just don't want to go through the hassle of cornrowing your hair down. This is the tutorial for you. Okay guys, so I'm starting out with my hair twisted. To be honest, 96.6% of the time my hair is twisted under my wigs. I'm just going to take some hairpins and pin my twist down as flat as I can. This will ensure our wigs lay as flat as possible once we go to put it on top. Next, I'm going to take a nude stocking cap and put it on. Then I'm going to be using my Gots to Be Glued Freeze Blast spray. I'm just going to spray that along the front of my cap because later I'm going to be cutting the extra elastic off the front of the cap. I'm going to take one of my satin scarves and tie my hair up so my twist can flatten while we get this wig together. The wig we're using is from UNiceHair. This is the package that the hair came in. It came with a couple different things. The wig I received is a 24-inch straight lace wig. The lace is 13 by 4 and the wig is 150% density. I went ahead and plucked the lace off camera. And now I'm going to go ahead and cut that extra elastic off of the cap. Put the wig on. The wig fits pretty snug. I have a small head, so I got a smaller cap. But if you have a bigger head, I do suggest you get a larger cap size. I'm going to go ahead and use my Freeze Blast spray again. And I'm just going to spray around the perimeter of my hairline. I'm kind of getting tired of using actual glues on my hairline. I'm taking a break from those and I'm just going to be using the Gots to Be Glued spray for a while. So this is basically the method that I'll be using for a while. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and put my scarf on again just to make sure that lace is melted down. And now I'm just going to show you guys how long the hair is on me. This is where the 24 inches stops on me. Now, after about 25 minutes of BSing around to kill time, it's time to cut the lace off. I'm going to be using my Gots to Be Glued in the black bottle this time, just to press the lace in. And I'm also going to be using it to do my baby hairs.
Purchase your tracks today.
I like to take my Black Radiance Deep to Dark contour palette, and there's 2 brown shades in that palette. I like to take the lighter brown shade, and I just like to put that around my hairline just to kind of like blend it in more and make it look more seamless. I'm going to be styling her in the middle part, so I'm just going to go ahead and part her in the middle and try to get it as flat as I can.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now I'm just going to go ahead and add a couple of hair accessories to one side of my hair just to make it pop a little bit. Shout out to Unice, by the way. This hair is the bomb. I have no complaints whatsoever. Guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.